I'm in Gili for my anniversary trip, and let's get ready for the sunset. This is the skirt, this is the top, and it has a flower. Cute, cute. Okay, let's quickly start. So for the neck piece, I'm gonna wear this. This looks pretty. Kitty cute, eh? I'm gonna wear these earrings. हातामध्ये हे हा क्यूट पिंक स्टारफिश. क्यूट. आता हे एका पायामध्ये आणि हे दुसऱ्या पायामध्ये. क्यूट फिश वाला पण घालतीये. फ्लावर, ब्राउन लिपस्टिक, ग्लो स्टिक. I got this eyeshadow palette recently, but let's try. काय केलंय मी? Wait, trust the process. Hey, stickers. Let's see. This bag, this cap. Okay, bye.